Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use your phone as walkie-talkie. Here's a step guide to use your mobile phone as walkie-talkie using a free app like Zello Walkie-Talkie. First is to unlock your mobile phone and make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Open the Google Play Store from your app drawer or home screen. And the search bar, type Zello Walkie-Talkie. Tap on Zello PTT Walkie-Talkie from the search results. Tap Install and wait for the download and installation to finish. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. On first launch, tap Sign Up to create a new account, or log in if you already have one. So for now, I'll tap Sign Up. Tap Workspace. Here, enter company name, your name, and 4-digit password. After that, tap on Next. Here, provide your phone number, choose industry, number of users, and network name, and tap on Start Trial. Once you provide those informations required, then tap Continue. Here, tap Next, then tap Continue. Allow the app to access microphone, contacts, and notifications when prompted. Tap on Continue. Then choose while using the app. Tap Allow. Tap on Allow again. Tap Continue, then hit while using the app. Once you have allowed all the required permissions, let's move to the next step. On the Contact section, tap the plus or Add Contact or Invite Your Team button. Search for your friend's username, email, or send them an invite link to connect. So tap on Add by Email or SMS. Here, you can choose by email or by SMS. So choose by SMS. Here, provide the SMS of your coworker, then tap Invite. On Contact section, tap on your friend's profile. Once they accept, open the chat screen. Hold down the big microphone, the PTT button, to record your voice message, then release it when done. Your friend will hear it instantly, just like using a real walkie-talkie. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.